1. Intact package with visible shipping label. Check if the appliance is installed securely to avoid vibration damage during operation. 2. All the accessories are complete. 3. Power on test passed. Gently pull the door gasket back from the screw holes, where you will attach the handle. Use the 2 included screws to fasten the door handle to the frame of the door. Install the other side handle in the same way. Install the K-type brackets on both sides and the middle part at the same horizontal level. Then mount the shelves to both sides of the cabinet. Door lock operation. 2 door locks are located at the bottom of the showcase. Insert the key and turn to lock or unlock the doors. You make sure the bottom radiator cannot be blocked.